Okay, I'm in the middle of trying to get this stubborn 40-year-old rusted bolt on here with this DeWalt DCF 921. It's on number 2. Okay, see, it's still on 2. Let's try to get it out now. Wow. Now we're talking a 40-year-old bolt, which, wow, this thing is hot. And I just bought this thing. Now it is pretty stuck in here. Okay, wow. Well, that was something. You could see I needed to spray this down with some WD-40 to get this bolt released from my socket. And that is a good reason to make sure these sockets are oiled up. Now, 40-year-old bolt, rusted. Where's the other part? Right there. Here's the other one. Okay. Down here in the workshop, and I tell you, that Hercules that I bought, that I returned, would have never been able to take off or put on this bolt. Now, this thing is still warm right here, but this is still nice and cold. That's the way it should be. Okay, this is and I had it on 2. I wasn't using the light or anything. But for $179 out the door compared to $106,